In today's video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about the Range Detector indicator by LuxAlgo on TradingView. Most traders struggle with choppy markets, often getting stopped out because they try to apply trend-following strategies during periods of consolidation. Identifying when the market is sideways is a critical skill, and this tool automates that complex process by highlighting zones of stationarity and the breakouts that eventually lead to new trends. To understand how this works, we first need to look at stationarity. Essentially, a range occurs when price action stays within a specific vertical window for a set amount of time. The range detector uses a sophisticated algorithm to test if prices within a specific lookback window are staying within boundaries defined by the average true range, or ATR.
When the script finds a cluster of bars that fit these criteria, it highlights the area as a zone. You will notice that these zones appear retrospectively. This means the indicator looks back in time to find the start of the consolidation and then marks it with a gray background. It also calculates a dotted line through the middle, which represents the average price between the high and low of that specific range. This middle ground often acts as a pivot point for price action within the zone. The real power of this tool lies in its real-time extremity tracking. While the zone itself is historical, the lines at the top and bottom react to current price behavior. If the lines are blue, it means the range is still intact and price hasn't escaped the boundaries. However, if price breaks above the upper extremity, the line turns green, signaling a potential bullish trend. Conversely, if price breaks the lower extremity, the line turns red, indicating a bearish breakdown. One unique feature you should watch for is range merging. If a new range is detected that overlaps with a previous one, the indicator doesn't just draw a new box, it merges them. This provides a cleaner chart and reflects how markets often consolidate in tiers. Furthermore, these extremities don't just disappear when a range ends, they extend forward until a brand new range is formed. The reason for this is that old range boundaries frequently serve as future support and resistance levels. A ceiling from a range established 2 days ago might become the floor for a new trend today. To tailor the indicator to your style, you can adjust 3 main settings.
The minimum range length dictates how many bars are needed to confirm a range. The range width acts as a multiplier for the ATR. Lower values will find very tight, narrow ranges, while higher values allow for more volatility within the zone. Finally, the ATR length determines the lookback period for volatility calculations. In summary, the Range Detector by LuxAlgo is a comprehensive tool for mapping out market structure and identifying the transition from consolidation to expansion. It takes the guesswork out of finding support and resistance levels during sideways price action. I would love to hear from you. What is the most frustrating part of trading in a sideways market for you? And do you think automated detection would help you avoid those fake out trades? Let me know in the comments below.